I feel like Smashing Pumpkins, 1979. I gotta rob like a convenience store or something. Hey guys, Jim again from IAG and welcome back to the channel. We've got something in store for you today and I want you to check it out. So we all know about our 2022 Subaru WRX, right? And everybody complaining about the fenders. The fenders this, the fenders that. I wish they were painted. I wish somebody do something about that. Well, guess what? Today, we're starting that journey. We're taking the WRX, the one you know and love, and we're heading on over to the body shop today so that we can take these things off, we can paint them, we might color match them, might do something else, who knows? But I'll tell you what, we're gonna get this party started and I want you guys to come along with us. So let's go. For those of you who aren't familiar with IAG, we actually have our own body shop. It is across town and takes a few minutes to get there, but we're gonna make it happen. All right, so we just got over to the body shop. So we're gonna check in with these guys and see just when we can get this thing in and start ripping these fenders off and start giving you everything you want, every time you need it. Let's check in. What's up, goons? What you doing, man? You know, making hot boy shit. Word on the street is you're gonna be taking some fenders off for us.
That's what I'm hearing.
Okay, awesome. Well, we gotta document most of that process. So we'll be in and out, I guess, the next couple of days for whenever like major work is being done. With that being said, we have a camera, but if you got any, you know, like bench warrants and like that, and you know, you don't want your face out there, you know, I do need to know that. All right, let's see what we got going on in the booth. Do some paint work, some assembly work. Nice. Got some sanding going on, got some collision cars happening. We got all kinds of big machines going on. Woo! That looks expensive. Word. What's up, man? How are you?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, here's the bay where we're gonna be working on the car. Let's get this door open. We just got started. We're gonna be removing both front and rear bumpers, plus the flares, plus the side skirts. But for you guys who haven't seen it in person, this flare is actually textured, so it has kind of like a honeycomb look to it. So I believe we're gonna be sanding that down smooth before we get to paint. Man, you make it seem like you've done this before. Ooh, just like that, huh? You might get a better view of the honeycomb from this angle. It's actually got like a double-sided tape to it.
This is lit.
Man, I just put those things on, bro.
Yeah.
Take them off. Man, that's how you gonna do me. STI, baby. Voila.
Start it up.
So here we go. We got both bumpers off, side skirts, all the flares. Look at it, right over there. All this demolition, that makes me hungry for tacos. That's what I'm talking about. So that completes day one of our fender transformation on our 2022 Subaru WRX. We'll be checking in on those body shop guys tomorrow and see if we can get a closer look at what it's gonna look like when it's all done. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we will catch you on the next one. See you soon.